Iman here from Design by Iman, and if you're thinking to renovate your kitchen, you've come to the right place because today I'm going to be talking all about luxurious appliances that you might not know about. I'm always looking for the latest and greatest appliances for my clients, so I thought I'd create this video and share them with you. If you're thinking about doing a kitchen renovation, the first thing your millworker or contractor is going to ask you for are what appliances have you picked. So today we're going to talk about downdrafts, dishwashers, ranges, fridges, and much more, so let's get right into it. So the first appliance I wanted to talk about is called Pitt Cooking. So I've actually installed this at a few clients' homes and they love it. What's really unique about this specific appliance is that you can configure it any way you want. So it actually gets installed individually on a stone countertop, and you can position it like a traditional cooktop, but you can also create a linear row. Or if you want, you can even just install one if you want a burner for your kettle. What I also really like about it is it also has a wok burner, perfect for stir fries. So overall, Pitt Cooking is bound to impress your guests, but it also is super easy for cleanup because you're cleaning your countertop rather than cleaning yet another appliance. And that brings me to my next point. So if you're planning to put your Pitt Cooking in your island, you might not have the opportunity to do a hood fan right above. So another new option is called an integrated downdraft. So what's really unique about this downdraft is that it actually blends right into your countertop. So when the hood fan is down, it actually just looks like you have a little cutout for stone. And then when you press a button, the hood fan comes up and all of the ventilation goes downwards instead of upwards. So what's really special about this particular downdraft is that it creates a very seamless modern look, and it gives you so much flexibility on where you want to position your cooktop. So next up is the Miele dishwasher, which is knock to open. So oftentimes you will see a dishwasher which is panel ready, which means the cabinet door covers the front of the dishwasher. Now the struggle with this is finding an appliance pull, which is the handle on the appliance, that matches the rest of the kitchen. And sometimes you just want to have a really, really sleek, modern kitchen. So the best option for this is going with a knocking mechanism. So it's simply a 2 knock and the dishwasher comes open. Not only that, but Miele actually is rated very high for dishwashers, so the function of the dishwasher is actually awesome as well. So if you're looking for something modern and technology friendly, this is definitely a good choice. So next up, we're gonna be talking about the Fisher Paykel Griddle range. And the reason why I really like this option is because if you're into pancakes or crepes or any kind of flatbread, you actually have a separate section with a griddle, which is built right into the cooktop. And this just makes it easier for cleaning and not having to use yet another appliance. So next up, if you have more of a Parisian French look going on in your home, or maybe you've got more of a traditional home, you'll definitely want to check out this brand called Cornue. What's really special about this appliance is that it has so many customizable options. So if you want to do silver detailing, you can do that. If you want to do gold detailing, you can do that. You can pick the amount of burners. So this appliance is really, really special to have in your home because it is really unique and super luxurious. It's bound to impress any guest. For all you wine lovers out there, I'm going to be talking next about a 24-inch tower of wine. So this is by Fisher and Paykel, and what's really special about this wine fridge is it's actually integrated into your cabinetry. So you can actually match the perimeter of the door to the rest of your cabinets, but it still has a viewing window for display, and it's actually temperature controlled as well. So if you love your wines, but you don't need an entire tower of bottles, you can also check out the Liebherr wine fridge, which actually sits at eye level. So what's nice about this fridge, it's still built right into your millwork, so it'll be blended right into your cabinets. You still have your viewing display, just like the Fisher Paykel, but it's a lot smaller. So if you don't have the largest kitchen or you don't drink that much wine, this would be perfect for you. Next up is the world's first microwave drawer that is smart. So believe it or not, all you have to do is wave your hand in front of the drawer and the microwave will open. It actually comes with an app, although I don't know how much I would use that. but I really do think it's a special microwave because it limits having to clean it, because I know there's fingerprints all over my microwave. So it's bound to impress your guests, and it's also super easy to use. So next up, if you liked the idea of the knocking dishwasher and the wave to open microwave, you're gonna love this. So this is actually a fridge by Gaggneau, and it requires no handles. So all you have to do is push and the fridge actually pops right out. So if you have a really modern kitchen with really clean lines and no handles, this fridge is perfect for you. It's really, really high end. The brand is amazing, and the function of the appliance is actually great as well. So from the same company, Gaggneau, comes a vacuuming drawer. So what that means is you can actually pop your food right into the drawer and have it sealed shut, perfect for marinations or if you want to preserve your food. So what's awesome about this drawer is if you're marinating tofu, for example, you'd pop it into the drawer, have it sealed shut, and then put it right into your freezer. And then when you're done, the material is actually microwave safe, so you put it right into your microwave to heat it up. And last but not least, for all you coffee junkies, is a built-in matte black coffee maker by Paykel. What's really unique is you have 13 options from Americano to macchiato or maybe just a latte. Your favorite coffees can actually be memorized to start at the same time each day. How cool is that? And it also has a self-cleaning function, which makes it effortless to maintain. So if you're spending money at Starbucks every day, this appliance is definitely for you. You can save some money and have a really cool feature in your kitchen. So we've talked about a bunch of appliances today that are super luxurious. A lot of them are really modern and really technology friendly. So if you are thinking about doing a kitchen renovation, the appliances are really the foundation of that kitchen. So you want to make sure that you're investing into really good appliances, as they will increase the value of your home. So if you do know someone that is renovating their kitchen, be sure to share this video with them. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below, and watch out for my next video.